Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on manage apps, so the second option, and three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap. Now let's tap on other settings. And here we've got reset app preferences, so let's tap. As you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset app preferences in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.